Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and this body is designed here. And today lecture is very important because all parts is designed here, and all parts is a use a for a stock engine, and how to this body is designed, and how to this body is assemble, and all for a stock piston is complete here, and complete lecture is available here in this tutorial. And guys, you go to playlist, and this for a stock engine all part wise, all parts and all assembly and all motion lecture is available here, and you go to and easily learn here, and this body is a design easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. One by one is all bodies design here easily and clearly. Okay, at first drawing this part C, this body is this is a cap, connecting rod cap, and this is a piston pin, and this is a piston ring. Okay, all is all point is discussed here, and all body is easily learn here, and this body is design here. Okay, at first drawing this body is design, and this is a front view, and this side view, and this is a top view. Okay, and at first select a two circle is a drawing here. First is diameter is 76, and second is this is a 54. Okay, and this is a thickness is a 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, at first select a front plane and use here, and drawing a two circle is draw here. Okay, and mention diameter dimension is a this diameter is 72, and again select second diameter is 54 is correct. Okay, and a line is drawing here, connect to this because this is a half person, and other person is delete here. Okay, and this is a 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and use a this is a mid plane. Okay, and use a 38 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, okay, and select a this is a plain white, and use a cartoon is apply here. This is a correct. Okay, and other is discuss here, and okay, this is a at first select a this is a 60 millimeter and flip side, and okay, drawing a create a plane. Okay, and this is a this and this is 60 millimeter and flip side. Okay, this is a correct. A plane is created, and this is a click a plane, and sketch normal is a perfect. Drawing a this center point arc, center point state slot. This is a correct. Okay, and this drawing a select this point is a 76 millimeter, and this 90 millimeter radius, and diameter is also 9 millimeter is correct. Mention any dimension. This dimension is a 76. Okay, and this is a 9 millimeter, and also drawing a this, and select a this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, both red Okay, this is equal, and select this 9mm is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and exit and extrude boss is a use this up to surface, and surface is this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a hide, and this portion is sketch and convert entities, and use this extrude cut is a both side is a okay. This is a perfect. Okay, this body is designed here, and some this is a 20.6 and 25.5 is cut here. Okay, and select this face, sketch, normal, and line. This point is a this connect to this, and okay, this point is a this to this. Okay, and select a this is a 20.6. Okay, and again select a okay, this point, this is a 25.5. okay, this is a correct 25.5. okay, all is perfect, and draw a center line, because this is a center line and this is a vertical is okay, and this is a mirror is apply here, and select this. Okay, and exit and extrude cut is a both side, and okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a this radius is 3.2, and this radius is a 1.2 is correct. This is a missing, but this is a 1.2 is correct, and some fillet is used here, and this is a okay, this is a 3.2 is better. Okay, 3.2 is better, and select a this. Okay, click OK, and this is a 1.2 is 1.2. This select a also this, and this is a perfect, and also this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this is a colorful color is a this, and also this color is also better, and also this color is a okay, this color is a very nice looking here, and click OK, and this is a this color is better. Okay, okay, this body is a design here. Okay, connecting cap, and okay, next point is a this is a piston pin drawing here, and okay, part, and piston pin is a use a front plane, because this is a perfect, and this is a click this circle is drawing here, and mention dimension, this dimension diameter is 33.8 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a 33.8 millimeter, and height is 82, and this is a chamfer is apply here. This is a extrude boss. Okay, and this is a 82. Okay, okay, this is perfect, and use this plain white and use this carbon cartoon is apply here, and chamfer is also this is a 2 and 45. Okay, 2 millimeter and 45 is correct. Both side is apply here, and okay, and color is this rubber color. This is a color is rubber, and okay, this color is perfect. Okay, some important point is missing here, and apply here this extrude cut is a mid plane is better. Okay, this point is very useful and helpful. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this mid plane is a perfect. Mid plane is very, this body is assemble is used, then mid plane is very important point is this point is missing. This is not assemble, this body is not use a assemble. Okay, this mid point is very useful. Okay, this is a perfect, and this piston pin is severe. Okay, piston pin is, and next is a okay, next is a piston ring. Piston ring is also available, also apply here, and okay, this is correct, and this use a top plate because this is a piston ring, and select a two circle is a drawing here, and two circle first is diameter is 79 and second is 85. Okay, mention any diameter, mention any dimension. First is a 79 and second is a 85. Okay, this is a correct. First is a 79 millimeter and second is a 85 millimeter is correct, and this thickness is a 4.3, and apply extrude boss, and this is a 4.3 is correct. Okay, and okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, click okay, and then use a okay, and use this white plane and carbon cartoon is apply here, and this is a also this is a use a rubber. This black color is better because this color is a apply here. This is a correct. Okay, this is a piston pin is drawing here, and this a piston ring is drawing here, and all parts is one by one is drawing. Okay guys, all part is one by one, all parts of a 4-stroke engine is drawing here one by one. And guys, I hope you will learn this command, this body is easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, okay guys, thank you.